In this video, I'd like to share with you a quick tip and a great tool that you can get for free online to gamify your science lessons or overhaul your classroom culture. Now, gamification is definitely a trendy word in education. And if you've ever thought, I am not creative enough to gamify my classroom, you should know that it could be as simple as implementing a reward system. Some sort of system where you have students set goals or achieve some status, and then you can reward them. Now, what I want to show you in this video is the use of creating your own digital reward wheel. It's something I use as part of my Super Science Sticker reward system that's pictured behind me here. For me, I choose 8 areas of science: observations, questions, we have inferences and analysis and evidence and communication and teamwork and experimental design. And after students exhibit really super skills in one of those areas 5 times in a month, they are eligible to spin this digital reward wheel. And so let's show you how I created that digital reward wheel. We're going to go to AHA Slides. That's AHA slides.com. And then you'll want to sign up for free. Now, very quickly, just going to say this video is not all about the functionality of AHA Slides. It is tool that has the reward wheel, but it does a lot of other cool interactive things as well. I'm going to go ahead and log in because I already have an account. You can log in with Google, or perhaps you are a Microsoft school. Okay, now regardless of where you end up after you sign up, because it probably won't look like this screen if you don't have anything created yet, you'll want to find templates. Right now, I'm going to click blank. So if you can also find something that's blank, that works. And what we're going to see here is that it opens up a brand new slide document, basically, if you're familiar with Google Slides. And the very first thing is I'm going to name it. I'm going to call it Demo Reward Wheel for Science Teachers. Of course, this could work for anybody. Okay. And I actually clicked outside of that area where it's giving me some options, and it seems like it dismissed, but it's telling me, hey, you over there. And so over here, you can see in quiz and games, we find a spinner wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on spinner wheel. Now, the way this company must put forth their product, what their product includes, is a slide that is going to be presented. For my purpose, I am just screen sharing it because I work as an online science teacher. Chances are you're going to be presenting it on your projector at school as well. So this whole join business is not something you have to do. And honestly, unless you're a paying customer, I think that you're not allowed so many people in there. The way I intend to use this is just to have, for me to spin the wheel for the student. But in a brick and mortar, face-to-face, in-person classroom and application, I would say you could have the student come to your computer and click the play button, and that you're broadcasting it, but no one else really has to get in here and share on the inside of your system. So I'm going to make a heading, spin for your reward. Yay. And now you can see we have all this rainbow color stuff here, and you would clearly spin the wheel. It's very intuitive. I'm going to, over here, draw your attention to the area where it says entries. So maybe I'm just going to throw in some random stuff. Candy, piece of candy. And then we click add and add a new entry. Some on my wheel include a homework pass, half homework pass. I teach high schoolers, so they really appreciate when something could help out their grade book. Late homework submission, pass. Some other fun things are share a video with the class or share some pictures with the class. things like this. So we've got, and you just keep clicking in there and putting your entry and hit add. And now we can, over here on the right hand side, change the spin time. Mine is set at 10 seconds, but I gotta say it's a little bit long. If you want it to go maybe, let's say 5 seconds, let's try that. There we go, it's a little more clicky now. Da-ding. Okay, late homework submission. All right, and if you'd like a more thorough spinner wheel tutorial, you can click on this guy right here and get that video. But again, like I said, to use in your class, now when it's automatically saved it, so you don't have to save it anywhere. If you wanted to share this with someone else for your students to click on their own computers, you could use the share link, but I don't really think that that's like a utility for us, an application for us. Okay, now I'm going to click on the AHA Slides logo on the left-hand side to get back to my area, and you can see this is where it's going to save your demo reward wheel. So legitimately, all I do is I search for AHA because I can remember the name. They were brilliant. AHA Slides. I log in, and then I can access my reward wheel. This is actually the one I'm using with my class. So some more examples include weekly practice pass, homework pass, extra time for a practice or homework, contribute to a class playlist, I'll donate $5 to charity, drop a practice 0 assignment, complete half, add 3 points, 1 homework retake, share personal stuff. And again, I teach high schoolers, so they're driven by that kind of help me out with my grades sort of thing. But you know, the younger middle school groups and the younger high school ages, 9 and 10, might like some more basic stuff. So I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you. If you decide to use a reward wheel, a spinning wheel in AHA Slides, I'd love if you would share it with me. And I've left the link in the description below to my free group, the Student-Centered Science Teacher Society. So you can even share it there with us and join for more inspiration and more tips and tricks on how to have your students enjoy class more, be a more active part of your class, and you become more of a mentor in your role. Also, you can get my Super Science Sticker Reward System on Teachers Pay Teachers at Lab in Every Lesson. I've left the link for that down below as well.